to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
But a kingdom that has once been destroyed can never come again into being, nor can the dead ever be brought back to life.
Morning sun and strike, the sirens scream out loud. Morning on the radio, of what's coming, appearing on the radar. A threat from overseas, flames on the horizon, cast shadows on the ground. Bring us on destruction, a ravage in the land. Fury of the bombers, a force to reckon. Sends the world on fire, and turns to strike again. Flames are burning higher, the bombs keep falling. AA guns are blazing as the sky is turning red. Better run for cover, you'll be quick or be dead. Rage of the heavens, death from above. Merciless killing, death from above. Carpet bombing cities and grinding them to dust. Able men and women will all be victims. Everyone suffer in the wake of that attack. Bombers show no mercy, a land in ruin. Homes are turned to rubble when the last lights spin through. Facing the destruction, fear the black wings of death. Rage of the heavens, death from above. Merciless killing. AA guns are blazing as the sky is turning red. Better run for cover, you'll be quick or be dead. Rage of the heavens, death from above. Merciless killing, death from above. In the draft of 1917, a man from Tennessee, overseas to the trenches, he entered the wall from over the sea. Intervened 1918, all the way from Tennessee into 123. When his faith has been put to the test, the call to arms he heeds. On the 8th of October he went, made a song
gone. That way, everybody's got the dues in life to pay. Yeah, I know nobody knows where it comes and where it goes. I know everybody says you got dues to know how it goes. Half my life, books, written pages, living learn from fools and from sages. You know it's true. All the things come back to you. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laugh, sing for the tear. Sing with me, just for today. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away. Yeah, sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laugh, sing for the tear. Sing with me, just for today. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream yourself a dream come true. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream until your dream come true. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, dream Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laugh, sing for the tear. Sing with me, just for today. Maybe tomorrow, good Lord will take you away. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laugh, sing for the tear. Sing with me, just for today. Maybe tomorrow, the good Lord will take you away.
Let's go! Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Return to the Mac. Get 'em what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking. And this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Grown music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT. This hustling, chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can.
hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like you gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Raw, time to go up, gone. Deuces goodbye, I got a world to see. And my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer. Nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we brought our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we brought our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
But so we put our hands up. But so we put our hands up.
And all my people say, and all my people say, and all my people say.
It is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we brought our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we brought our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਰਗਿਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਚਲਾਵੇ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਗੇੜ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਨੀ ਏ the one and only ਵਿਚਾਰੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਾਤਿਲ ਬਖਾ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਫਾਦਰ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਗੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ ਉਹ ਬੇਹਾਦਰ a bit harder yo I'm a rider provider bring the heat yeah I will bring the fire and my name keeps going worldwide now so my job is to satisfy Call me Mr. Machiavelli. I make them disappear just like Harry Houdini. Benny me lyrically so insane now. So on my chest it dive in the agenda. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਕਈ ਨੇ ਲੋਕ they see me as a problem ਸਮਝ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ the problem I give them a cure with a fresh new album I'm a rider, provider bring the heat yeah I will bring the fire and my name keeps going worldwide now so my job is to satisfy ya can't stop it. Hitting in your body, I feel straight to the pin. This is the way I like to work it. Never gonna stop while I'm hot working. Satisfy ya. So my job is to satisfy ya. To satisfy ya.